welcome or welcome back to my channel. Those of you who are new here, my name is Anjali and this video is a haul video. So I actually shopped a lot during the sale season from Zara, H&M and Bershka, and I decided that I will let all my orders come in and then I'll shoot this vlog. But अभी मेरे पास सारे orders आए हुए भी 1 month हो चुका है and I was not in the mood to film this video because I had so many pieces that it felt like it's going to be a long video. I need time to shoot this, but finally today I decided that I'm going to sit down and show you everything that I bought during the sale season, and we have so many pieces. Also, if you're planning to go out on a vacation or just a casual going out clothes, you can take inspiration from this video. Some of the pieces I know will no longer be available since the sale is kind of over. Most of the pieces are sold out. But still, in case you want to have any inspiration from my video, please go ahead. Also, disclaimer guys, you don't have to have all of this. I just got these pieces because I genuinely need them and I think that it matches my style, and I haven't shopped in a very long time because I was waiting for the sale to start to get my hands on these pieces, and finally I did. And yeah, without any further ado, let's begin. So starting off with this shirt that I'm wearing, this is from Bershka. I love the checkered detailing on this and how it fits me. It's not too body hugging. Also, if you see, it has this asymmetric kind of button. You can also button it up like a normal shirt. This kind of style is still available on Bershka. So if you see that these shorts are a balloon fitted shorts, so it has this elastic at the bottom, which I feel is so convenient because my butt is quite big, but when you have elastic at the bottom, it actually covers your entire butt, and I just love that about it. And also I feel like I can style these two pieces separately as well. It gives me a feel and look of a dress. We have so much to go through. I was thinking that I'll wear each and every piece and show it to you. Otherwise, there's no point in just showing and blabbering about the pieces. So let's begin. This bodysuit. This is a spaghetti style bodysuit. Has this brown border and the strap is also brown. I just love the color combination. This ribbed fabric, which I feel fits me so well. Like it just hugs my body. And with that, I also have this pant of the matching color, and it is this flared pant from the bottom. The length is quite long, so I will have to get it altered, but these two go so well together, and this is going to be like a perfect airport look. It also comes with a jacket. I mean, these three are all separate. I just combined them to create a look. And this jacket is again so comfy. This jacket is not too cropped or too long for me. It is ending at the right place, and this entire look is definitely going to be one of my airport looks whenever I travel next. All these three pieces were from Fresh Arrival. I got this short from Zara again. This has this band detailing around it. I was very skeptical while getting this because I genuinely feel like this thing is very trending right now and it will go out of trend very soon. But then I was like, I need this. Like, it really looks so good on me, and the length of this short is so good, and it is covering my butt, and it looks so good with this butter yellow top. It has a zip over here. I am in the size extra small, by the way, in everything, and in case extra small size is not available, I wear size S. I got this from Fresh Arrival, and with this I also got a matching jacket. So we have this matching jacket with this. It has the same detailing, band detailing, which the short has, and again goes really well with the top. And this in itself is a complete look. Love cord sets because I don't have to use my brain every time I have to go out, because it's like a no-brainer outfit. You just throw on the same matching set and you're good to go. Comes with a zip. The zip is quite sturdy, so it's of good quality. That's how it looks. I feel like I am ready to go on a safari right now. I have been on a lookout for a good white denim shorts for a while now, and finally I got my hands on this, which perfectly fits on from my waist, and the length is also good. Covers my hip again, but the part that I didn't like a lot was these pockets coming out, peeping. Like, I don't like this style personally, but I think that I'm definitely gonna cut these so that they don't show, or I'm just gonna fold these like this. Casual denim shorts, like if I have to go out for a movie or chill with my friends, I can throw this on with this top or any basic top and it will look so good. This fit is called a mom fit shorts. My waist size is Euro 32. This was on sale. I got these 4 jackets on sale and they were on steal deal from Zara. The MRP for each jacket is for around 5k or 6k, but I got it on like 50% off, which I feel is amazing because I know that right now it's monsoon, but the minute August ends from September, the weather is going to be pleasant and I always want a jacket for myself. And yeah, if I am going out on a vacation in September or October, I will definitely have this denim jacket. I feel like such kind of pieces are statement pieces and will go with literally so many things. And for someone who loves to wear modest clothes, I personally feel like these kind of jacket looks really good and it just elevates your basic outfit. The denim quality is also so good, like it's not too thin. It's a very thick, heavy duty denim. Also, it was for around 5,500, but I got it for around 2,500, which is a steal deal. And the next day when I checked Zara, it was not there. Like it was completely sold out. This wind jacket, I love again the look of this. It has this flary sort of a thing at the bottom, and it has a very pretty collar, green color. It's so easy to button this up because it has those thick buttons. Like you just have to do this and it's all buttoned up. In case you are going to a very windy place, this is the one for you. And the best part about this jacket is that it has pockets. And this, because of this flare, I feel like it will look good with shorts, good with capris also. So I just love this. This has been on my wish list from last, I think, ever since it came to Zara collection, it was on my wish list. But this was again for 5,500 or 6k. So I waited patiently because at that time I didn't need it, because I was not going out to a place where I will need a jacket. So I waited and I finally got extra small size in this during sale, and the next day again this was also sold out. So all the jackets that I bought were sold out the next day, in fact the same day itself. Also, it's such a pretty beige colored jacket. Light color goes with so many stuff. Like this has a very neutral palette, so it will go with so many. I have this polka dot jacket, again a very unique piece that I wanted to add to my collection. And this polka dot jacket is also a denim jacket. Like this is a white denim, and every time I see a polka dot piece, I always tell myself that I don't need it because I have enough polka dots. But then again, I'm like, I don't have a polka dot jacket, so I'll get this. This was for 4k and I got it for almost 2k or 2,500. Steal deal. I have a very small torso and I have like long legs. So every time I buy a top or a jacket, its length is always longer on me. So I feel like this really does look good on me. What do you guys think? Let me know. And I have another jacket with me. I know that I look funny because ये base outfit मेरा बहुत time से चल रहा है. मैं इसी के ऊपर बस jackets change कर रही हूँ. But imagine wearing like black trousers or black shorts and black tank top, and on top of it you throw this jacket. It will look so good. Even if you have to go to the office or you have to go to any formal event, these kind of jackets just complete the look. And it has shoulder pads also, so it's super comfy. It has these golden beads on it, which just elevates the entire look of this. You can't zip it up, you can't button it up, but there's just one hook. So आप ऐसे लगा सकते हो in case you don't want it to be open. So that's how it's gonna look. Again, this was for around 5k or 6k. And I got it on good set. It is a very formal outfit, like a formal top, formal trouser. The length is again long. I have to get it altered. I think you won't be able to see me. I think now you can see. That's how it looks. The length is long. But the pants are very flary from the bottom, and I love how this top is so modest. Like people don't understand that when you have to go to the office, you can't just wear a tank top and go to the office. You have to have something which looks modest, which looks professional, and such kind of pieces really helps me. Like I can wear this pant with white shirt, I can wear this with a white trouser. So again, these two pieces can be styled in multiple ways. And the funny part about this fit is I wanted this entire set for one of the meetings, but every time I used to check, sometimes the top used to be in my size and not the trousers, and when the trousers used to come in stock, the top used to go out of stock in my size, and during sale somehow I got both of them in my size, extra small, to complete the set. It has so many buttons. Also, again, it has this grey and pink stripe detailing going on, which I we have this cord set. I got this because it is blue. Honestly, I don't have any other reason to buy it, but I see myself wearing it to a beach vacation where I'm just going out to grab my breakfast and I'm wearing this. Although these shorts are too short for me, like my booty is visible, but the fabric is so soft and comfortable, breathable, that I know that if you're going to a humid place, which is going to be a beachy place, you can definitely wear this. And I love the top, like more than the shorts. I feel like the top is so versatile, and the way the buttons are placed, I love this. If I accessorize, like I want to wear black sunnies and black kitten heels with this and a black shoulder bag, and then it's a complete look. I don't have to put any brain into it. I can't return any of the things that I'm showing you right now because ये 1+ month से मेरे पास है अब. I'm just trying it and showing it to you guys. I got this basic black crop top just to wear it with this. So this is a skirt which has inbuilt shorts. This is like an asymmetric dress, if you can see. पीछे से लंबा है, आगे से शॉर्ट है. एंड मैंने बस मेनली ये टॉप इसके साथ पहनने के लिए लिया है बिकॉज आई न्यू कि इसके साथ एक बेसिक क्रॉप टॉप काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा. अदरवाइज़ मैं नहीं लेती हूँ अब क्रॉप टॉप्स. आई एम नॉट इनटू क्रॉप टॉप्स, एंड दिस is like a perfect beach vacation outfit. Like if you are looking for something flowy, this top is from H&M and this skirt is from Bershka. I got this from Bershka store when I was in Bombay, but at that time it was not on sale. But ये sale में आया था, but I'm glad that I bought it earlier because मेरा size नहीं था sale में, and I am in the size extra small in Bershka as well. So yeah, I just love that it is so flowy. I just keep doing this with it. And also that it comes with inbuilt shorts, so you don't have to worry about anything. Otherwise, it's completely transient. I don't buy a lot of dresses, but this caught my eye, and mainly because it's backless. Again, this dress is from Zara. Got it on sale, navy blue, and it has this halter neck, and it has this one string at its back, which looks so hot. And at the bottom, it has this skirt fit. ऊपर से ये लूज़ है, नीचे से ये फिटेड है, तो मुझे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. अगेन परफेक्ट फॉर अ बीची वेकेशन वाइब. बट इफ़ आई एम गोइंग ऑन अ वेकेशन, आई विल डेफिनेटली टेक दिस ड्रेस विथ मी. लव दिस. Okay, I was wrong. We do have one more dress. This is from H&M, and this was from Fresh Arrivals, and I only bought it because of the color. I just love this color. It's a very pretty purple color. And ऊपर में it has that ribbed material जो body hugging है, नीचे में it has this flowy material. It's a full length dress, and ये again asymmetric. It's going like this, which I love. And the best part about this dress is the neckline. Like it's still here. I can wear it to the office. I can wear it for a dinner. I can dress it up. I can dress it down. Wear it casually also. So a very versatile dress, and that's the reason why I picked this up. Okay, so this was for 2K. I still have a few more stuff with me, but I can't wear it because either the strap is too long or the fit is too loose. I have to get them altered. But I think the video is already too long. My battery died twice while shooting, and still I shot this entire video. And by the way, this is not the first time I'm shooting this. I recorded the entire video in slow-mo yesterday, so I had to reshoot this. So please, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what all you liked from this haul video. And this is only for your reference purpose, for what you can buy in future, and only if you need it. Otherwise, don't get stuff unnecessarily. And yeah, I'll see you with another one. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see next. Bye bye.